this is Sophia from Green Fingered Long Lease, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these bird catchers. The things you will need will be some red ribbon, or any colour ribbon actually, just some ribbon, a CD, and a pair of scissors. Now it's fairly simple. You just need to first start with your CD and your ribbon, and you make one length longer than the other, well, one length shorter than the other side, so it's like that. Then you wrap it round with the one length that's longer hanging off like this. It may take a while and it's a bit faffy. Once you have done that, it doesn't matter if one side's longer than the other, you just need to wrap it round the closest the closest piece of ribbon that you've wrapped around, like this. And then just put it through the ribbon and tie it like a knot. Then do the same for the other side. So in the end you should have something that looks like that. The next step is to grab some of another piece of ribbon, and different ribbon, and cut a good amount of that off. Remembering that you have to tie it on as well. You put it through the CD hole and you tie it round the top. Triple knot it. And there you have it, a lovely decorated bird catcher. Bye guys!